On day 10, we're going to talk about Cabernet Sauvignon. You know, Google liked the idea of including Cabernet Sauvignon in this wine advent calendar. So on day 10, we're going to talk about Cabernet Sauvignon. It's grown all over the place, right? I'm not going to list all of the places where Cabernet is grown because it's easy to grow Cabernet Sauvignon. France, USA, Australia, Argentina, Chile, anywhere else. Anywhere people can grow grapes, they can generally grow Cabernet Sauvignon. Um, but it's a crowd pleaser. It's easy to love, right? Full bodied, medium to high tannins, and medium to high acid. Delicious, generally black fruited profile, right? Black cherries, blackberries, plums. Some of the really good Cabernet Sauvignons give you a little pencil lead, graphite notes, some baking spices, because a lot of the Cabernets are done with some oak treatment. Lots of variety, right? Lots of variety because they can be really, really big and oaky and in some cases overdone, or really subtle, well managed, and and even lighter in alcohol and easier to drink. I think one of my favorite Cabernet Sauvignons that I've featured in a couple of posts and videos before is the Robert Oatley Signature Series from Margaret River in Australia. It was a lot to say. But I think wines from Margaret River in Australia and Australia in general, are really growing on me. And I think the Robert Oatley Signature Series is a great Cabernet that is pretty easy to find and light on the wallet. Low to mid 20s, I think, is where it generally falls. So get out and try some Australian Cabernet, and I'll see you soon.